Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Abu Sufi, mashallah, igema na kulero katika halqa ya pili squad ya timu naktazo ya Maif Center inshallah. Na rero maana ni mara ya pili naktazo na taasisi maana hichi umu katika kawin maana ya vijana watakuya na hapo maana ni mahala maana ya locker room wadua kachingerenza tena kachimini tena na ijeze ndio takishukua Abu igema.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ما شاء الله إننا نيوا نحن كروديرا أبو أويس الصوفي ni siaro washtonchi kompiroitu tegena za leo ndisi watu mimi mpira inakinuru hapa na mimi nakinena support gimuntatu semifinali stakendo mochi shinzile leo tunaoraja ya pili ya tatu shinda semifinali tunafanya promise mina baadhi na timu nyingine watu mimi wasiasi tulikopa afla nkulu mimi nistafanya gifting sisi tutamoro wa zero sport wote tuko vilo na gharama zote ziko ila siaro Washington iwana sio na mpira inakinenda mimi inakinenda siaro iwa timu yenu leo naftezo inshallah timu ya tuamini
Abu hapa mahala umu takadira kuambia watu
hapa ni mahala wa vijana huyo in sabura in schedule number 7 number 5 3 4 6 yao taktezo ni schedule coach وعندك wana tasawo kendo kungolo dakika 10 hapa ni mahala ndikula wana wewe takshika hapa u hapa tahpanda takishikila 7 11 5 6 4 10 نكهو شامبيرا
أنا درس
من الدرس إيه
درس وبوك أبا
كان أسكولا درس وبوك أبا
أنت قادر كيش فهم بيجا زجير إذا شبكة إذا نازل
والله إذني اختشني نجيمي وانا نمالو كوانغو إيكو
كل ما مالا كونغو
ngozi huweko kule mutimu yake ngozi
maana sote kwa ndani chimoe ni zingi
no ni zingi hapa takaraka takuvala
zombozo maana
zombozo
ziratu
hapa ziratu tutaka ukono ngozi hapa mahala tukula tayari tungiroleni tukula wote ngiro na groni
tena hii hapa ni timu moja ambayo timu mbili
wallahi hii ni timu takriban timu kama moja wasom mbili baadhi marsheze ismail
hebu mbili wala hebu ya oko na hebu ya hapa
marsheze isa tena hapa chia
ni hebu hii ni hebu moja hebu ya pili ni oko iko iko oko sabura hiyo chuma iko maana hiyo timu mbili za kutezo moja hapa moja iko kuja maana hiyo ma player malau hila no
mashaallah chingira hapa baadhi chingira hapa hapa ni zoro hizi na
hapa ni choro maana
mashaallah
choro chwa mtu hiyo tumika choro sini hapo iko meza hapa nao
ni mahala kuoa hapa
okay hii nao ni shower maana
shower aiyo
mtu chwa slokoa si maplero yao mlizo hiyo teza sio kontra kuya hapa si sio tokushika hiyo tak maana
scotch wao no huru malizeti
haiwa oni nakusenda kwa tushiro nafadi
شيء يتخفى تمام
يتخفى
تنزل لا بس
سيو ما يتاونيكا ولا سو ما يتاونيكا سو sini mahalanta tutene na mtusulo kai kopa na kuso hiyo bila kapa si
yes
si hapa ni mahala utoro shower chuma za pira kula mu hapa hiyo bila sio tena inshallah wakoni nasi na jabu zingine upunguro inshallah takuona kila chintu mpira yao takanzo na wakati yao tukumalisha shtakindete inshallah chigawari hari iko hiyo zitu Islamu kama wote vitu mini waislamu wote mahala wako gimana tena tukinambiwa katika barnamiji ya mpira garahan siaro Washington. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
I have the youngest one and the community, the medicine, Masud Muhammad Rose, inshallah, he also is the one also he do the assistant to the training, a lot of things he helped the players. So Masud, what do you want to tell people, inshallah?
I just want to tell you, this is this is not SHB. This is what's it called, Maif FC. This is gonna be the winning team of Somali week. This is the winning team of today's game. This is the winning team of any day. This is gonna be the winning team of everything, inshallah.
Okay, so it is the first match or the second match?
This is gonna be the second match.
Second match. Is the first match they win or they lose?
They win.
They win?
3-1.
By what?
3-1.
Huh?
3-1. They came back. Yeah, they were 1-0 down.
So today, who they play with?
I really don't know. It's Minnesota team, but they're gonna go down.
Oh, Minnesota team?
Yeah.
Or they come all the way from the Minnesota?
Yeah, and just to lose. Just to lose.
Or just to come here to play?
Yeah.
So inshallah, so we hear brother, he explained to us what the team how they begin in the jersey. And inshallah, more players they can be. Inshallah, assistant Abu is here also. We also have brother Hamza, the one who wear the Khamis, inshallah. So he also play more, inshallah.
Assalamualaikum.
Inshallah, nafanya naye barnamiji ya mpira inshallah tena wakuni nasi na hii baadaye ni swala kwa information yao kale halma line up
Inshallah, this first lineup, as you can everybody see his name on the board. Number 2, we're going to 4-2-3-1 formation. Are we agreeing with that? 4-2-3-1. So we try to do 2-6, to hold him for now for the first 10 minutes. So what happened? These 3 guys, Ziegler is going to be here, Millie is here, the Momo and Jaelo. So what we need is Abdurrahman. So Jaelo is going to be here creating a ball. He likes good balls. He gives to Millie. Millie, you have to create a ball with what is his name? With the Ziegler 1-2. So to get inside. But number 1 is the problem we have. This space is always empty. When we need to attack, we need to fill up this space. So we need to attack from the side, quick passes. So we can drop from the ball, we can drop here. There is no goalie there. All you need, when you get inside here, if you have a 1-2 and you open up, you can take a shot from even outside. You don't need even stress yourself. There's no goalie there. That's number 1 choice. Number 2 is they back up together, the lines. The only way to destroy the line is you have to take the defense out. Millie, come out. Momo, you can drop in the ball. Millie can overlap. All we can do is just overlap. So we don't want our defense to stress up. So 4 guys, we see the first half how we attack it, and then later we can start using. If we're doing good, we can use overlap sideline. First, we want to see their game. We're reading their game, so we're kind of defending and attacking at the same time. But these guys, they're going to drop a lot. Millie and Abdurrahman, they're going to drop a lot. Why? Because we need to help here defense. And that guys is number 11. We need to mark. And what is his name? We need to mark what his name. Bogba is the ball maker. So Bogba is between Abdel Nasser and him. He has to take care. Abdel Nasser, your job is you have to patrol this side. This side, you and Jaelo. You and Jaelo, Abdel Nasser, you have to patrol the defense. Because you have to give relief the defense. Because if you guys are attacking, the defense will have a problems here. This side will have a problems. If you guys go forward, this area will be dangerous. So we need to protect our defense. At the same time, we need to give a little bit high passes. Yesterday we did too much low passes. Day before yesterday, right? Too much low passes. What happened? We invite the pressure. So we need to as soon we get the ball, everybody needs to know who is passing. We need to get 3 touches. Millie, Ziegler, Momo. That's all we need to finish up, inshallah, in the first half. So are we agreeing that, inshallah? Okay, inshallah. Thank you.
We watched their game last game. To be honest, they don't have much of a threat. Yeah. What I was gonna say is they only play down.
Okay, Mia. Okay, Mia. Musa hakala ubanta. Huh?
They try to play hook buck.
Okay, guys, let's go outside to warm up. Let's go.
Sasa ano pa siya? Huh?
Mamo hayar cod kor u qaad.
Guys, the main reason why we called you guys up here is we want to make sure there's families, there's kids, there's mothers. This is for the community. And we want to put a show for the community. We've been talking to every team, every game, right? So this is going to be a good game, have fun, but at the end of the day, understand that this is nothing more than soccer. It's just a game at the end of the day. People got to go back to their lives, work, everything, right? So if you do something, you know what I'm saying, if a bad tackle happens, hey, just pick him up. At the end of the day, he's your brother at the end of the day, right? All right? But just understand that, like, if you throw a hand, no matter if you land or not, well, you're gone the rest of the tournament. Simple as that. But we want to warn everybody, but at the same time, have fun, enjoy the game.
One, two, three, family.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalties 50-50. You never even had that nervous. Rebound. Don't go in until the kick. Until the kick, you stop.
Aí. Aí, cool.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. متزم مكاريو ترشيرو ما شاء الله تبارك الله. 3 and 4. 3-4. The city company 3-4. نهاير امبيرا نهاير بازي نهاير امبيرا رفرا. وتامين فيتياو تياري وتامين فيتياو تياري إن شاء الله. Hai, basi. محمود بيت
ورث
طبيعي
ورث
ما شاء الله محمود ما شاء الله
ما شاء الله
Leo matezo kale. بس إذا ذيك نروح فينال تبازي سما فينال. Other thank you. Wow. كيشو إن شاء الله تعالى بعض سيفرا بعض سيامة خمبيرو إبير شو إتكينين السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته لولو فراها
Haya bui pira ya Nzize mashallah inakinenra sami nakpendo mkalla wana 1-0.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته إمبيريان زيزي almost 15 minutes تقيكم نثانو إنك إن شاء الله وانا ونايو 1-0 تشناو 1 نمبيران دي تشناو ما شاء الله 80% تشناو كباسي كويررو يوتن تشنا نمبر 1 دي ما شاء الله تشنا خرج اقول باز ان شاء الله بقى نصف فينال ان شاء الله السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته
Yo, when they're ready, let's play on the ground, hey.